Hey folks, it is Relaxed Farmer Hugh. I have had a wonderful big day. Shout out to the team. They have been killing it this week. I mean, we have painted things that need painted. We've been building the rope maze and fixing driveways, and I mean just loading corn trucks. My dad's been doing it. We planted fruit trees. It has been a crazy, crazy week. And it feels like Friday, but I'm pretty sure that it is only Thursday, right? I think so. But lo and behold, at the end of a very long day, we were making wine today. So I got the strawberry wine started today, and we got the Marion Blackberry wine started today. If you're interested in that, just stay tuned. That's going to be a couple months. But we got that started. The fermentation is started, so that's cool. Mr. Charles, big shout out to Mr. Charles for helping out in the wine room. And lo and behold, at the end of a crazy, crazy day, Miss Jean mentioned that I might not have been presentable before, after. So anyway, I had to take a shower, get clean shaven. So this is Relaxed Farmer Hugh, here to hang out with you. I found this box, and Miss Michelle was so excited when this came in, and it killed her that she did not open this box, because if you look really closely here, you can see this is early bird cherries. So remember, we got the Sweet Cherry Drive-Thru Festival coming up, and the Gunkel family, like, we're 5th generation farm. The Gunkel family is 4th generation farm. So they are our people. They're probably a bigger deal than Maple Lone Farms. Let's be honest, they probably are. But they sent us a box of cherries ahead of time, which is so awesome. They said they were going to have some this week. They couldn't do a whole load like we're doing for the festival, but they sent us some cherries. How cool is that? And so I thought, like, my son watches like unboxing videos, and so I thought, man, like, we'll just do an unboxing video with the cherries. So let's examine the box, and it has like labels on it and stuff, and they hand labeled it. So really appreciate the I don't know, what do they say in these unboxing videos? I have no idea. But anyway, these are early bird cherries. Now, one of the things, I was arranging for the shipping of these cherries, and the guy who's arranging the shipping said, "You're not getting cherries then." And I said, I know some people. And he said, no one's getting cherries this early. And that's why they have the early bird cherries. So I think they turned the box around a lot. So like here you can see grown, packed, shipped by Gunkel Orchards. Those are our friends out that way. And Mary Hill. Now on the side here, you're going to see these are Chelan is how you pronounce that. That's not Chelan, that's Chelan cherries. And they are some of the earliest cherries available. So let's open. Yeah, it's taped shut. I'm not really, like, very good at unboxing videos. But we've got the Farmer's Friend here, ye old fashioned multi-tool. This is on my hip at all times. It makes me look super cool. Maybe just a little too dad, maybe. But in any case, we're gonna try to get into this guy here for the early bird, the cherries. So we're gonna cut there. And we're going to cut over here. Now, personally, I have to tell you, I'm so excited. I'm so excited for sweet cherries. Let's be honest. Who doesn't like sweet cherries? So we're just going to no. I don't know. Do they do teasing? Is that a thing that they do on unboxing videos? I'm getting a no. I'm getting a no from the crew here, which my lovely assistant, in any case. Let's just have a look, right? Oh, I hope they're as good as I want them to be. Red sweet cherries, people. I think they're even gonna have. All right, I'll just do it. Oh, mommy. So look in here now. On the box, it says 10.5 row or larger. So basically, they're just picking everything they can to send us cherries this early. 8 bags, 18 pounds. 18 pounds! Of cherries, 18 pounds of cherries. Now, I'm not going to eat 18 pounds of cherries live right now. You all would probably love that. It would probably be crazy. We're not doing that. So, let's just take a look in here. Oh, look at that baby right there. Yes! Oh man, totally did not prepare ahead for the pit. There we go. Super classy Farmer Hugh. That's what we're talking about. So let's take a look in here. Look at these guys. I mean, and they are all, look at that. Now row, 10.5 row or larger. I gotta look this up. I will figure it out. I mean, that's probably 10.5, but that got bigger. Look at that. He's bigger. Boom. Now these have stems on. Boom. Stems on. So they're picking exactly what we need for the festival. This is what you're ordering. This is what you're getting. Some people are like, oh my gosh, are those cherries like they have in the store? No, they have never they didn't have any way to get them here. I had to figure out my own way to get them here because they have never sold here before. They're only doing this because they are our friends. So let's bite into one of these guys. Look at that. Dark red the whole way down. Oh my goodness. Watch out for the pit. How's the song go? Life is just a bowl of cherries. I don't know how, but oh man, that is wonderful. Super classy. We're keeping it classy. So remember, when you're ordering, you can order a whole box, like this guy here. You can order 2 bags, 4 bags, or 8, right? The whole box. That is perfectly fine. I do not think you are going to be disappointed. Now again, these are the Chelan. They said it's either going to be Chelan or Black Pearl or something else. But I'll check in with you when we see what the something else is. But they are basically taking all of the early cherries off the trees for us, and they are sending them to us before 10 days before other people can get them, which is cool. And they're coming straight from their farm. They put these in the box in their farm, and they send them straight to us, which is super cool. All right, so I'm getting the hook notice from the crew here. In any case, sweet cherries. This is what you're going to order. I'm going to knock myself out here trying to eat an entire bag of cherries. Thank you so much for all your support. We really appreciate it. And zoom in on the cherries. They like them better than Farmer Hugh. And we will see you. Remember, you got to order by June 14th. Michelle always wants to remind me that. You got to order by June 14th so that we can get them to you. All right? And this is for Father's Day weekend. So you have a big party at the festival. Get your pies, all this other kind of stuff. All right, I got to go. Pies, stuff, cherries, unboxed. This is what it's going to look like. We love you people, and we'll see you soon.